Okay, this is about the file structure of how Mixcraft saves files. First of all, you have all of your, in the library, you have all of your loops. And those are all audio files. They're ogg files, which is a type of audio file that's really easily editable. And they're all located, you can scroll over and find their location. This will be blank until you download it from the internet. To download it, you have to click on this or this one over here. But basically, it's on the C drive, which is the root drive, the program, data folder, Acustica folder, so on and so forth. So the thing is that the audio is always kept in a separate place than the actual Mixcraft file. If I save my Mixcraft file to my folder, okay, so let's say I saved it to this folder, and I'm going to call it New 13. If I go into that folder, you'll see I have my I have my Mixcraft file called New 13, but I don't have any audio files in that folder. It's not actually part of this Mixcraft file. And the way Mixcraft works is it's kind of like a lens. It lets you see the audio, but it doesn't actually change the audio when you adjust it. And the place where your audio is recorded to, if I make a recording using a guitar or vocals, is in a different place than where your Mixcraft file is. These loops are located in the C program files folder, but if you make any recordings, they're going to be located wherever this says. In this case, it's the users folder on the C drive. So, to demonstrate, if I make a recording, and I have my vocals coming through the microphone right now, this is a test. Then this particular audio track, which by the way is called O2 audio track 15, is going to be located somewhere in C users owners documents my recordings. And they do that so what you can do is you can edit this but not change the original. You can always go back and use the original. So to demonstrate that, this particular folder is located, let's see, right here. And so if you look over here, these are all the audio files that I've recorded, and O2 audio track 15 is located right here, O2 audio track 15. So there's a pathway from Mixcraft New 13 to this particular audio file. If I chop it up and move it around and change the volumes, it's not going to affect, let's say I save that, it doesn't affect, oops, wrong one. Where is it? Oh, I closed it out. Anyway, hold on. Okay, so if you look, it's still called O2 Audio Track 15. There's no change in it, and to know that, you can listen to it. This is a test. So I changed it all over the place over here. This is a test. You know, I put it off over to the test. This. Okay, so you can see that it doesn't affect the original audio. So basically, it's just like how you see the audio, but it doesn't actually change the audio. And they do it that way on purpose so that you can press undo a million times and go back to what you had before. Okay? Now, when you save it, let's say you want to take your recording and go to another computer with it. This is very important. This audio doesn't come with the Mixcraft as a bundle. It's separate. This is a loop, and if you open Mixcraft on another computer, and this exact same loop is already on that other computer in the exact same location, because it's the same location with every computer, then it'll see the loop, but it won't find this audio. And so what you have to do, so let's say I save this to my flash drive, and I'm going to call it New 15. And you'll see if you go into the flash drive, let's see, where is it? If you go in here, here's New 15, but the audio file called O2 audio track-15 is not located in here. I did this before once, but this isn't the one that I'm recording right now. This one is a different one. So what you have to do is you just have to go to File, Copy Project Files to, and then go to Folder, and then click on the folder you want to copy it to. This is on my flash drive. This is that folder I just saved to called Acoustica. Press OK. It says, do you want to continue? Some files may have the same name, so you just say, yeah, they just want to rename it. This one says, do you want to copy the loops? Well, remember, these are audio, but as long as the loops are already downloaded on the computer you're going to, then you can open Mixcraft on that other computer, then you don't need to copy the loops. And then, do you want to modify the project to have a new recording path? It doesn't matter. If you're done recording, then you don't even care about the pathway. But it's always good to say yes, just in case you want to record something else, so that way it records it directly to the flash drive. And then, would you like to load the new project file? Either way, they're going to create a new file. The original one was called new15. Notice the new name here is new15, and then this is the tilde out number 1.mx5. And if you go into the flash drive, you'll see you have new15 tilde 1. You have new15, this one with the tilde out, and then here's the audio file that's been copied over as well. So it's very important to make sure you copy over your audio if you want to work on this on more than one computer, or if you want to hear it on more than one computer.